and welcome to this video tutorial. I'm going to share with you a little known secret on how to make your Scribus load much quicker. Now, if you have a lot of fonts on your system, you may notice this, or you may notice Scribus loading up to 10 times faster. So it's a very powerful little feature that is often overlooked. So when I open up Scribus here, and I'll just press cancel, what you want to do is head over to your Scribus menu and head on over to the preferences. And under the user interface option, you want to select startup. And you want to uncheck these two options. So what's happening is when you launch Scribus, it goes through and loads all the fonts and other system preferences that it needs to run. And it doesn't have to generate all that on screen for you. So when you have this disabled, it bypasses all those checks and visual things you see on screen so that you can get right to work with your Scribus. And if you don't have a lot of fonts, just as a default system setup, you may notice it maybe, I don't know, maybe 2 times faster than having that option on. But like I said, if you have lots of fonts on your system, this is a huge improvement in terms of time savings and for it to load every single time. So I hope you found this tip helpful. Thank you.